guys, welcome to Press Play on Life. Today it's Americans Try, and we're going to try a full Irish breakfast today. We're going to celebrate our Irish heritage. I got everything except, so I guess maybe I can't call it a full Irish breakfast, but I got everything except the blood pudding. No, it was available, but you know, I just didn't want to. I've had it before, and I know I don't like it, so that it wouldn't be Americans Try, right? We went to this really cool store in Kansas City that I didn't even know existed. It's called Browne's Irish Market. That has been open since 1887. On their website, it says that they are the longest or the oldest Irish store in the United States, which is pretty awesome.
That was the 80s.
So our great-grandma was a Browne from Ireland. However, it's not spelled the same way. They spell Browne with an E. Her name was just Browne minus the E. It was just kind of cool. So hey, we're Irish Browns also, as well as we have so many Irish ancestors. It's crazy. I am going to make a gluten-free Irish soda bread. I'm gonna make the bread. I've got, well, you know what? Why don't we make the bread and then I'll show you all the other goodies that we got. It takes 3 cups of flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, butter, raisins, milk, and an egg. So let's go ahead. Let's get the 3 cups of flour. So we'll speed this part up because it isn't baking with Kelly. It is Americans Try. So we'll speed up the Irish soda bread and we'll move over here to the stove and start doing all the other things that I got from the market. So here, speed that up. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in the oven now and we bake it for an hour. And while it's baking, we'll get over there and start making the other stuff. So now we're ready to play with all the stuff that I got from the Irish market here in Kansas City. I was gonna show you what I got. I got some cool stuff. I have some Irish oatmeal or porridge, berries, Irish tea. We've tried Heinz beans. Well, today we have bachelor beans. We're gonna try those. Got some wheat-filled Irish scones that I'm not going to be eating, but Nancy and Karen can try those. I do have a story about scones. When I was in Ireland as a kid. We were flying from England over to Ireland, and I was so tired I had fallen asleep. And the flight attendant was passing out scones, but I didn't know it, or scones. And she woke me up by saying, "Do you want a scone?" really loudly and in my ear. Anyway, so it always cracks me up. So that's what I think of with scones. "Do you want a scone?" That's what I think. Rude flight attendant on the way to Ireland asking me if I wanted a scone. So the other thing, chivers, black currant jam, Irish brown bread. Again, this isn't gluten-free, so that's why I'm making my very own gluten-free Irish soda bread. Karen and Nancy can eat the stuff that I can't have, and I haven't told you yet, I also have some Irish-style bacon, and I got some Rashers. So that's what we're gonna do next. And I just discovered that I cannot eat the bangers because they have wheat in them. Darn. But I can eat the bacon, so I'll have the bacon and my soda bread and oatmeal and tea. I'll get to try it too. It might not be the full Irish breakfast, but it'll still be an Irish breakfast. That is some weird looking bacon. Guys, I think you're just making ham. It doesn't look like bacon to me. I'm used to the thinly sliced, streaky bacon. I'm going to make some oats, porridge, and there's my Irish soda bread. That looks amazing. There it is, my gluten-free Irish soda bread. Okay, guys.
Hey!
Hey! Look who I found! I got my sisters!
I came back!
She's
I
back!
came back! Where'd you go?
Where did you go?
In my room. Oh, okay.
Got Karen back from Texas, and so now we're going to do this big Irish breakfast. We're going to do a little sampler and tell you what we think.
But first, tea?
First, tea.
Maybe Kelly needs to do this. It's awfully hot.
I can't do it for
I
me.
think I'll just set that back down.
There.
No, if it's too... Okay.
Have a dribbly,
That's going to be a little warm for me.
dribbly kettle.
Okay. Ooh, a little warm for Kelly, too! Maybe don't drink that yet.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. You okay?
Wow, this looks good, Kel.
You okay?
I'm okay. It's
Oh.
not the first time I've burned myself today. It's the second time. I burned myself on the coffee this morning. We've not tried, can't remember. We haven't tried bachelor beans.
Bachelor beans.
Bachelor beans. I'm gonna cut a little bit of the bacon, or do you want me to cut the bacon?
Sure, I'll cut. And let me get you, Nancy, an egg. I think we know what fried eggs are, but here you
A
go.
fried egg, a fried tomato.
There's the ham. You need a little egg as well.
Yeah. Oh, the tomatoes. I know you don't like tomatoes.
I did a tomato.
And just for show, I'll put tomato on my plate.
Someone doesn't like tomatoes.
I didn't know what I didn't like till we started filming these.
All right. All of it. So let's try the fry up part
What
first.
Well, should we put beans with it? Oh wait, we didn't get the banger.
And I didn't get beans.
And I didn't get beans either. Yeah, I'll try one. You can't have it because of
Wheat.
the wheat. Okay.
You guys try the
Try that. Nancy,
try the sausage.
Try the
first.
sausage first, the banger. Yeah, try that. Ready?
Mmm.
It's not bad. The sausage. I mean the bacon.
The bacon, the
whatever,
ham.
whatever they call this thing.
Ham.
It's ham.
Beans.
Beans.
Mmm. I think I like
Kind
these
of tastes
better.
just like pork and beans is why.
I like them better than Heinz. Sorry, Heinz.
That's good.
Those are good beans.
They are.
And then we've
I'm going
had
for my egg, but
eggs and fried tomatoes. Now we have some porridge.
and now for some very pretty porridge.
Pretty porridge.
This looks an awful lot like oatmeal.
I think it might just be some oatmeal.
Could use some cream on top.
Okay, here's my favorite.
It's pretty good.
I like oatmeal.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so now we try our brown bread. It's Irish brown bread. Ready?
Good?
That's good.
Those will look good, I don't know.
Don't eat them yet. What are these? Raisin?
Probably currants.
Currant. Okay. So we have these
Careful
beautiful.
where you're throwing that around because I have.
Put it back. Hey! You're not an Irish kitty. Bye. I'll take all of that, please.
Looks good. All right. Well, then let's do the soda bread.
That's not bad, is it, Nancy? That's not bad at all.
Well, I like that. Put a little ice in that, call it iced tea. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye. So what'd you forget?
I forgot to try the
Black currant jam.
black currant jam.
Well, you know what? I got a piece of scone right there with its name on it. That one. Right there. Happy to try it. You want a piece of soda bread?
I do, and I'll get another knife.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. We're gonna try the black currant jam. Good. That is good. Okay. Now we'll see you guys later. Bye. Wow, I like that oatmeal. I'm gonna just buy that oatmeal.
Irish oats.
Yeah.
Porridge oats. Peas porridge hot.
Beef porridge cold.
Peas porridge in the pot.
9 days old.
9 days old.